What's up everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the new email campaign statistics dashboard. Until now we had very limited ability to track our numbers in the campaign email sender. However, right now you can unlock reports for the past 7 and 30 days. Once it's enabled, it will give you deep insights into open rate, click-through rate, average cart order value, total orders, bounced, unsubscribed emails, top performing emails, and much, much more. To track your emails, and you gotta know your numbers in order to know where to double down, what's been working, what's not been working, so you can maximize your marketing efforts and put your money into the right places. So first you wanna make sure it's actually enabled in Labs, so go to Settings on the bottom left, scroll down until you find Labs, scroll down again until you see Email Builder Dashboard and check that it's turned on. After that, you want to cruise over to Marketing on the left, Emails and Campaigns at the top, and you will see a new tab right here, which is called Statistics. Right here, you can select what kind of data you would like to see, either the last 7 days or the last 30 days. On the top right here, once you click on the settings icon, you can also adjust the days. Currently, 60 days is the maximum, let's say, for all campaigns, and hit save. Down here, you can see the conversion summary. The system will tell you how much revenue you've generated, what is the average order value, what is the order rate in percentage, and the total orders. Scrolling further down, you can see the engagement summary. This will show you how many emails have been delivered, how many emails have been opened, how many people clicked on the link inside your email once they've opened it, and how many people then ordered from there once they've clicked on that link. These insights are worth gold because here you can see exactly where you need to improve your funnel, maybe your copy on your landing page, maybe the copy inside your email. These numbers will give you great insights on make that educated decision based on data. In this example, you can see 0.7 people have actually clicked and 0 people have ordered. Then you want to go, why didn't people order this? Maybe you need to go back onto your landing page and fix the copy. Maybe the copy is not resonating with your audience. This will help you to track the performance of your campaigns over time. So here in the drop-down menu, you can switch between open rate, unsubscribed, click-through rate, and emails sent. In this example, you can see over 135 emails have been sent, 2 have bounced, and 98 have unsubscribed. So in this case, you could go and check why these 2 emails have bounced. If you go into the Conversations tab and you look for that particular contact, the system will tell you why they have bounced. And depending on what the reason is, you can reach back out on Facebook or LinkedIn, wherever you're chatting with the people, in order to update that data. 98 unsubscribed is not a bad thing, considering how many emails have been sent. And unsubscribes are actually a good thing because it just means the list cleans itself out and people are just not interested. The open rate is over 38%, which is pretty good. Industry standards is between 20 and 30%. So where the performance analysis is over time comes in handy is if you have trending topics, for example, AI is a really hot topic at the moment. If you have something going for that, you can see what is the performance over time and when the market gets tired of it. Once you see the curve going down, you will know, okay, I need to do something else with my emails. I need to change the copy. I need to run a new campaign and think of better email marketing topics. Down here, you'll see the top performing emails, which means it will show you the emails which bring you the most money. Once you've identified those top 5 performing emails, you know what works and you can just replicate it for other campaigns in the future. And down here, we can see the most recent emails been sent, which will also give you insights on open rate, click-through rate, and revenue generated. On the bottom right, you can change the page view from 10 to 20 to 30 or to 40 emails. In case you want to track a different time frame, which is not 7 or not 30 days, you just click on the settings icon up here. And let's say we ran a campaign in the last 14 days. And we only want to see campaigns where we actually sold products. Choose campaign with products and hit save. That's it already. Now I would encourage you to go into Labs and turn on that email campaign statistic dashboard in case it hasn't been turned on just yet and start tracking your numbers. I will see you in the next video.